File President Donald Trump speaks after disembarking Marine One on the South Lawn of the White House on March 24, 2019 in Washington. Donald Trump's federal prosecutors and lawyers have signaled their desire to bring up 2016 election in former president's trial on charges of plotting to overturn results of 2020 presidential election. Washington. Lawyers for Donald Trump told a federal appeals court on Wednesday that it should not hasten its assessment of whether the former president is immune from prosecution, accusing federal prosecutors of trying to rush their case to overturn the 2020 election before next year's election. The prosecution has one goal in this case: unlawfully attempt to try, convict, and punish President Trump before an election in which he is likely to defeat President Biden. Defense attorneys wrote Wednesday. This represents a blatant attempt to interfere with the 2024 presidential election and disenfranchise tens of millions of voters who supported President Trump's candidacy. The issue is of great importance to both sides, given the potential for protracted appeals to delay the trial beyond its currently scheduled start date of March 4. Trump has faced accusations of plotting to overturn the 2020 election after losing to Democrat Joe Biden and has denied any wrongdoing. Trump tried to delay the proceedings while special counsel Jack Smith, whose team filed 2 federal lawsuits against Trump in Washington and Florida, tried to keep both on track. At one point he even asked for the Washington investigation be delayed until 2026. A delay until after election would clearly benefit Trump. In particular, if elected president, he will have the power to direct Justice Department to dismiss federal cases. While Trump's lawyers told the Washington-based federal appeals court that there was no reason to expedite the immunity question, they wrote that the date of March 4, 2024 has no talismanic significance. All relevant authorities and arguments, they wrote, at issue is the Trump team's appeal last week of a trial judge's dismissal of claims that he was protected from prosecution for his actions as president. Smith sought short-circuit that process by asking Supreme Court on Monday to take up issue within its available time. He acknowledged request was extraordinary but said it was necessary for case move forward. Smith's team simultaneously asked the U.S. Court of Appeals to expedite consideration of Trump's appeal, writing, "The public has a strong interest in seeing this case heard in a timely manner. However, the hearing cannot continue until the defendant's interlocutory appeal is decided." The Trump team has made clear they oppose the request, saying the case presents new, complex, and sensitive questions of profound importance. Whether a president of the United States can be criminally prosecuted for his official actions as president will go to the heart of our system separation powers and will be among most important cases.